The science fair volcano mishap. It was the night before my school's science fair, and I was struggling with a half-built volcano model. I had to create a simple volcano that would impress the judges. After mixing my special lava formula baking soda, vinegar, dish soap, and red food coloring, I tested it successfully in the sink, feeling like a genius. On the big day, as I presented, my volcano unexpectedly exploded, shooting foam 3 feet into the air and dousing my science teacher, Mr. Thompson. While chaos erupted around me, he surprised everyone by clapping and declaring an unforgettable experiment, turning my mishap into a legendary moment.